Did you know that in 2025, the amount of judicial complaints against federal judges, meaning the complaints of misconduct, rose 23% for a total of 1,857 complaints? Now, 1,700 of those were dismissed by circuit court judges. Guess how many received corrective action of any kind, such as a formal warning, suspension, or removal? Go ahead, guess. Zero. That's right, zero. Not only do we not know who was complained about or what the action actually was, now they claim this is a mechanism to keep judges protected against disgruntled litigants. But is it really? I mean, wouldn't it be more logical to assume that people are going to complain? So if it was truly a problem, then there would be a consistent complaint against all judges. But let's say 10 judges have two complaints and one judge has 10. Would that not indicate that, there might be a bigger problem? The fact of the matter is that the rule of law requires courts to be transparent and open. And when there's secrecy around those in charge of upholding that law, it creates distrust, and rightfully so, because it keeps those in power that are failing at their duty. And then it creates more cases and more backlog into the system. And while there's been attempts at passing laws to rectify this, they usually fail the moment they hit the Senate floor. But don't worry, America, I got this covered. In Amendment 7, under my Bill of Structural Integrity, because I've drafted 12 amendments to fix the structure of the US government after months of research into the most trusted governments and courts in the world. And I need your support to help get this passed by holding those in power accountable before the midterms. Now, Amendment 7 creates a separate Judicial Conduct Commission with the power to receive complaints, investigate misconduct, and discipline judges or remove them when necessary. The commission is made up of 2 federal inspector generals, 2 retired federal court circuit judges, 2 state Supreme Court justices, and then 3 regular citizens who have never practiced law. It also requires real public transparency. Complaints that are move into investigation would go into a public database along with the type of misconduct alleged, the status of the complaint, and then the outcome of any discipline imposed. The goal is not to punish judges for unpopular rulings. The goal is to create a real process for bias, ethic violations, abuse, discrimination, undue delay, and other misconduct. And this is where you come in. If you want to review the full proposal yourself, go to the platform I created and state your position directly. You can respond with yes, no, or yes with your own suggested changes by July 31st. The more people that show support, more of those in power can't ignore it. So please make sure to share and follow to hear Amendment 8, which covers access to the court and case law.